In this video, I'm going to explain how do you know you have a bad belt or bad pulleys. First thing first, I always check the belt condition. If the belt looks cracked, dried out, or the edges look frayed, or it's literally falling apart, just go ahead and replace it, because if you're going to use the same belt, it's just going to cause the same issues anyways. The next thing you want to do is check the belt tensioner. If the belt tensioner is no longer able to apply tension against the serpentine belt, this will definitely make the serpentine belt slip and cause that squealing noise at startup. In worst case scenario, the serpentine belt can slip off while driving. Use a serpentine belt tool, or you can use one of these long wrenches I have and pull onto the belt tensioner. If it feels like there's no tension, it is time to replace the belt tensioner. If the serpentine belt checked out fine and there's no cracked, the belt is not frayed or is not falling apart, and the belt tensioner has adequate tension, maybe the issue is something else. For example, you can have worn power steering pump pulley, you can have worn AC compressor pulley, you can have worn water pump pulley, you can have worn alternator pulley, you can have worn idler pulley, you can have worn tensioner pulley, and so on. The best way to check for a bad pulley is to actually physically grab the pulley and wobble it. If the pulley is wobbling too much, that means the bearings are worn. Make sure to physically grab every single pulley on the vehicle, such as the harmonic balancer, the tensioner pulley, the AC compressor pulley, and so on. If you can't jack up the vehicle and physically check each pulley, the next best thing you can do is use a long screwdriver and start the vehicle. You can pinpoint each pulley by placing the screwdriver on each pulley, and basically what you're trying to feel for is strong vibration. The quickest and fastest way to check for a bad serpentine belt or a bad pulley is just to pour water on the serpentine belt. If noise goes away, then you know the serpentine belt is causing the noise. If the noise doesn't go away and it stays, most likely you got a bad pulley or a bad tensioner. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.